Welcome to another Traveler's channel. After watching our feature video, please subscribe, also likes, and comment, or share. By doing so, you'll receive a complimentary $50 restaurant discount voucher, which can save you up to $200 or more. Please note, this offer is available exclusively to U.S. residents. For our international audience, we offer free hotel stays in participating countries worldwide. To learn more, click the link in the description. Now, please enjoy our feature presentation.
Vancouver is known for its stunning natural scenery and beautiful beaches. Here are some must-visit beaches in Vancouver. Kitsilano Beach. Kits Beach, one of Vancouver's most popular beaches, known for its lively atmosphere, saltwater pool, and stunning views of the city and mountains. English Bay Beach, located in the west and near downtown. This beach is perfect for sunbathing, swimming, and watching the sunset. It's also close to many restaurants and cafes. Jericho Beach, a family-friendly beach with calm waters, picnic areas, and great views. It's also popular for windsurfing and sailing. Spanish Banks Beach, known for its expansive sandy areas and low tide. Spanish Banks is perfect for beachcombing, picnicking, and enjoying the views of the city and North Shore Mountains. Third Beach, a more secluded spot in Stanley Park. Third Beach is ideal for those looking for a quieter beach experience. It's also a great spot for sunset viewing. Second Beach, also located in Stanley Park. Second Beach features a pool, playground, and picnic area, making it great for families. Wreck Beach, Canada's most famous clothing-optional beach, located near the University of British Columbia. It's known for its natural beauty and relaxed vibe. Ambleside Beach, located in West Vancouver. Ambleside offers stunning views of Lions Gate Bridge and downtown Vancouver, along with picnic areas and a playground. These beaches offer a range of activities and scenic views, making them essential stops for anyone visiting Vancouver.
Thank you for watching another Traveler's channel. We hope you enjoyed our feature presentation. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, or share our video to receive your complimentary $50 restaurant discount voucher, saving you up to $200 or more. Remember, this exclusive offer is for U.S. residents only. For our international viewers, explore our free hotel stay offers in participating countries by clicking the link in the description. Stay tuned for more exciting content and travel deals. See you in the next video.